Well, good evening, everyone. This is Mike Bass back again with another forecast update for you for this May the 3rd, 2024. I'm hoping everybody had a great Friday out there so far. Everybody has a great Friday evening. Hope everybody continues to stay safe and well and also enjoy the weather because it's the only weather you got. Okay, in tonight's video, we're going to be talking about your forecast for Saturday and Sunday, which is your weekend. Also, we're going to take a look at the weather radar currently across the nation. Also, take a look at the Watches Warning Advisory map for your location across the nation as well. Also, take a look at the Storm Prediction Center outlook for your Saturday, Sunday, and also we have severe weather to look for on Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday of next week. So stick around to the entire video. We got a lot of severe weather to discuss. Like these videos, share these videos, and make sure and hit that bell notification so that way you'll know exactly when my videos come out. Alright, let's go ahead and get the show on the road here, folks. We got a lot to discuss. Alright, as you can see here, we got some shower activity from New Jersey to Maryland up toward the Pennsylvania region, also toward New York State, also in the southeast Canada, around the Great Lakes, Michigan, up here to northern Michigan, also in the portion of Wisconsin, Minnesota, portion of Iowa. We have thunderstorms and showers extending from New Mexico to Texas, all the way to Louisiana, to much of Florida, to the Carolinas, all the way up to D.C., all the way back in Ohio, Michigan, and Wisconsin region as well. In the red slashed area where Texas and Oklahoma, some flash flooding and heavy rain possible there. Some severe weather possible over central Texas and southeastern New Mexico. Also, we have some mixed precipitation in portions of New Mexico and Colorado. Same in portions of Montana, Idaho, Washington, Oregon State, Nevada, and also into California. Including Newfoundland, also in the New Brunswick, eastern coast of Florida, down toward the Bahamas, Cuba, Jamaica, down toward the Yucatan Peninsula, also into Mexico, Gulf of California, Arizona, New Mexico, also in southern Nevada, Utah to Colorado, and as far north as the Dakotas, portion of Minnesota, and also into Montana and northern Idaho forward. Alright, let's move on to your Sunday forecast now. As you can see, we got a big area of showers and thunderstorms from southeast Canada, stretching over toward New Brunswick, Maine, down to Rhode Island, Connecticut, Pennsylvania, D.C., the Carolinas, northern Florida, toward the Gulf of Mexico, also into Louisiana, Texas, up to Oklahoma, Kansas, Missouri, all the way back into portion of Ohio region as well. The showers over here in portion of Nebraska through the Dakotas, Montana, Wyoming, and right along the Canadian-U.S. border. Also, we have some shower activity over portion of Washington State, western Washington State, northern portion of Oregon, western Oregon, and western Washington State. Getting mixed up. Portion of Texas and Arkansas, Missouri, Kansas, and Oklahoma. Some heavy rain and flash flooding possible. Also, we got some heavy snow pockets over here in portion of Oregon, also in the portions of Nevada and Idaho. Mixed precipitation elsewhere in the purple, extending from Montana down to Wyoming, Colorado, Oregon. Over toward southern portions of New Brunswick and also Newfoundland as well. In portion of New York State and Ohio, Pennsylvania, all the way through West Virginia, down into the Carolinas, Georgia, Mississippi, Alabama, also Tennessee. Got another line of showers and storm with some severe thunderstorm warnings ongoing in portions of Kansas through Colorado. To Mexico, always far north of the Dakotas and the Minnesota. Got another system coming in the western portion of Washington, Oregon State and northwestern California. Alrighty. As you can see, we got some advisories up here around New Jersey, Delaware, and DC vicinity. Still got the river flood warnings in portion of Iowa, also in the Missouri, also Illinois, down in areas of Arkansas, Louisiana, eastern Texas. We got some flash flood watches. Flash flood warning is severe thunderstorm warning. We have a few tornado warnings and severe thunderstorm warning going on in Texas, Oklahoma, northeastern New Mexico. We got wind advisories that reporting in Montana. We're here in Washington, Nevada, also into Utah, and also into areas of Southern California, northwestern areas of Arizona. Special weather statements there as well, and also in southern New Mexico. Red flag warning has been posted for New Mexico, portion of Colorado. We have a few flood warnings in effect here for portion. Frost advisory for portion of Colorado, also into portions of Utah. Freeze warnings there as well. Winter weather advisories for Nevada, also into portions of Idaho, also into California with winter storm warnings there as well. Also in the Nevada region as well. And we got some also we have some gale warnings, small craft advisory from Washington State down to Southern California. Same around the Hawaii and Chain Island. Also around the Alaska area. We have some flood watches in effect to the south, winter weather advisory to the northeast, winter storm warning there as well. Alrighty, and let's move on to the Storm Prediction Center outlook for day number 2, which is your Saturday. If it Alright, here's day number 4. As you can see, we have a 15% risk and a 30% risk area. We're portion of Nebraska, and the Kansas, and also in Oklahoma. That's the 30% risk area. Also extending from areas of Nebraska down in Texas. If we can get there. Alright, day number 5, we have a 15% risk from Chicago down to Pierre to Hannibal to Springfield, all the way down to Springfield, Missouri. Evansville, Indiana. Alright, that stretches from Jefferson City, or Jefferson area. Well, I must say Jefferson City down to Springfield to Little Rock, all the way down to Dallas, Waco, Abilene, Wichita, Norman, Oklahoma. You will be in the 15% risk area for coming up on day number 6. And let's see if we can get back to the Storm Prediction Center outlook for day number 2. A different way here. I'll see if I can get back. We'll go backwards again. Alright, I think it's about to come up here in a minute. Alright, day number 3 should be coming up here in a minute. Sorry about the slow this thing. Yeah, this thing takes forever. Alrighty. I think it's just about to come up here. It came up. Alright, we got General Thunderstorm from Buffalo, New York, Fort Bayard. And also over toward Tampa, we have a marginal risk over here in portion of Austin, Waco, San Antonio, up to Dallas, all the way over toward Little Rock, Arkansas, also the Wichita Falls, Abilene. You're in a marginal risk for severe weather coming up on day number 3, which is Sunday. Let's see if we can get back to day number 2. Sorry about all the background. Sorry about the noise. My cat's on my computer screen. Back here. A slight risk, enhanced risk, down stretching from Lubbock down to Fort Stockton over toward Abilene, Midland. You're included in the, excuse me. Also, we have a marginal risk from San Antonio to Austin to Waco to Dallas to Fort Wichita Falls up towards Fort Steele, Tulsa, Oklahoma City, Norman. You included, Little Rock all the way over toward Jefferson City, over toward St. Louis, Missouri, Kansas, also toward Pierre, and also into Springfield, Illinois. This is where the marginal risk. We have general thunderstorm in the lighter green, stretching from Miami all the way to Columbia, South Carolina, Detroit, Michigan, to La Crosse, Wichita, Woodward, Santa Fe, Aberdeen, Albuquerque area, also over toward Medford and Reddings area. Alright, we have a area with large tornadoes possible over portion of Midlands. That is the significant area for a large tornado and also a 10% tornado. If you live in San Angelo, Big Springs, Sweetwater, Sydney, 5%. If you live in Abilene, Texas, Del Rio, Carlsbad, New Mexico, also Kernwood, Texas, about 2% for a tornado, damaging winds. Alright, we got it from Midland, Texas to Fort Stockton. This is a 15% risk area for damaging winds. 5% area includes San Antonio to Austin, to Waco, all the way up to Pierre, Hannibal, Springfield areas in portion of Illinois. Let's take a look at the hail probability. Alright, we got a large hail probability. We have a 30% chance for hail to be the size of grapefruits, baseballs, golf balls, size in some of these areas here from Lubbock to Midland to Odessa, Aberdeen, Big Springs, West Odessa, Andrews, San Angelo, Odessa area. And also we live in that area in significant severe weather area. And if you live in Lubbock, Abilene, San Angelo, Brownwood, Texas area, including Hobbs, New Mexico, 15% risk area for a large hail. If you live in Dallas, Texas, Fort Worth, Texas, Oklahoma City, Oklahoma, Kansas City, Missouri, and also Tulsa, Oklahoma, for large hail. Alrighty, well that wraps up tonight's video. Sorry I had to do everything backwards again. Seems like I got to do everything backwards now before my computer will work right. So I also have my little friend here, my little kitty cat with me doing the weather forecast here as well. So hope everybody enjoyed the weather. The only weather you got. Make sure you subscribe if you have not, and we'll catch you back in the next video. So have a wonderful, wonderful Friday evening, folks. Take care.